Hey, I hope you guys are all doing great. I am still missing you like crazy and wish we were back in school, but I hope you are making the best of this unfortunate situation. Please continue to reach out if you have questions, you need help at all. We are here, Miss Husk and I. We care about you, we love you, and yeah, we miss you like crazy. So I hope you had a blast and a half learning about Latin America and all the cool things that are as part of this region of the world. If you get a chance, check out the Flipgrid that was for Latin America and the celebrations at home. We had Luke and Grant and Landon all took part in that and got some extra credit. So check out their videos. Pretty cool and creative, and learned a few things too. So I hope you will watch that. But now we are actually taking off to a new area of the world. We are headed to this place right here. Ooh, Nelly. Europe is where we're going. So we are heading off to Europe for the next 4 weeks. The month of April will be in Europe. And so I'm going to show you and kind of take you through what our plan of attack is for this week. So if you follow along, on my lesson plans, you'll be able to find this geography e-learning plan of attack for this week coming up. Also in Google Classroom is where I have the assignments sent out to you. So please make sure you take a look at this. One little thing we've added this week is we've got green. Things that are highlighted in green are required. Those are assignments that you'll have to do. The yellow are optional opportunities for fun, opportunities to learn, and also some opportunities to connect as well. So please pay attention to those things. But first and foremost, on Monday, what you're going to be doing is a Europe overview, a reading, there's a short video to watch, and a comprehension check. So if you click on the link, it'll take you to the overview. The overview is 2 pages, and what it does, it tells you a little bit about what is Europe. It also talks to you about the languages of Europe, and then down below it tells you about kind of the physical geography of Europe, looking at the climate and some of the physical features. So you'll go through that, as well as watching this video right here. And then you'll need to take the comprehension check. There's a few questions on there just to make sure that you're getting the main points from our overview on Europe. From there, you'll see on Tuesday, Miss Huska has put together a video for you. She's going to walk you through kind of the political side of Europe and show you a few maps and talk to you about a few details and ask you a few questions as well. So watch that. If you want to see the PowerPoint that she put together, it's right here, but the video that you'll want to watch is here. Once you're done there, you're going to do your Europe map skills, and we have the required one right here, and down below is an optional one if you want to have a little extra challenge for yourself. See if you can beat Miss Husker and myself. She has 18 seconds and I have 16 seconds. What you're going to do is you are going to send her an email of your screenshot, what your best score is. We'd like it if you get 100%, but if you can't, do the best that you can. Also on Tuesday, we're going to have some optional Zoom meetings for your period, and there's specific times here. You click the link, and it'll bring you to the Zoom meeting at your time, and we'll be on for about 20 minutes, just kind of talking and connecting, see if you have any questions. If nothing else, just talking and catching up too, because we miss you and we love you, and we are here for you. There is, on Wednesday, optional extra credit. So again, not a thing you have to do. It's not a required assignment, but something that's kind of fun. It's going to take you through a little reading on the physical geography of Europe. And then I put together a little video and kind of a challenge for you to see if you can figure out which place I'm in. And then there's a little challenge. You just put it in the sequence of which place we're at. And so that's extra credit. If you want to do it, you do not have to do Wednesday's assignment. But the other required assignment for the week is on Thursday and Friday, kind of Wednesday, Thursday, Friday then, is called a GeoSlam. What you're going to do is you're going to choose a place of interest from Europe that you want to research. First come, first serve, and down at the bottom, I'll show you that in a little bit, is where you can sign up. But since we missed out on March Madness and the awesome bracket fun, we're going to do that in April. So we're going to have April Madness is what we're going to do right now. And again, like I said, you're going to choose a place that you want to research about Europe. If you come to the bottom, your POI, your place of interest sign up, is right here by period. So you'll click that and then choose which place you are interested in and put your name by it. As you can see, we've got a whole list of them on here. You'll choose. So if you want Cinque Terre, you would put your name right here next to it, and you'd be able to type on there your name. Please make sure you don't delete each other's names, but once it's on there, it is yours and it is taken, and nobody from that period can go back and use that one as well. So ultimately, what is this GeoSlam? Well, the GeoSlam is going to be where you have to research this place. So we kind of give you 3 days, kind of Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, to be able to research this and create a speech, persuasive speech, convincing us why you have the best place in Europe. What makes it so awesome and incredible? And then you're going to create a video, a Flipgrid video, and you will link that or put that in right down here on the bottom on the right hand side. It says Flipgrid submission page for your period. So that is where you'll be able to put your video in. How you can do your video is just straight up through Flipgrid. Maybe you want to do a Screencast-O-Matic like I'm doing and then upload it from there. Maybe you want to do a Zoom. If you need help with that, I can explain that too. But maybe you want to do a Zoom video. The Zoom video that I did for your physical geography, if you watch that, that's what would be an option for you to do. So it's kind of like a green screen behind you to be able to go through your information. Use it from your cell phone as well. Just upload a video however you'd like to. But you have to have some kind of visual, some kind of picture to show us what is this place. Like, for instance, Cinque Terre. You have no idea what that is. It's a beautiful place, and I can talk to you about it. But if I don't see it, it doesn't have the same impact. So you need to show a picture of your place, whether you're holding it up or you can do like a green screen thing in the background, or maybe you have a slideshow and then you're on your cell phone showing yourself and then also showing your slideshow that shows these awesome pictures. So this is going to be what we're going to do, and that's going to turn into a bracket challenge, actually. You have to have this submitted by Sunday, April 5th into Flipgrid where it's up there, because what we're going to do on the 6th then, our assignment for the day is going to be to watch these videos and then vote for which one we want to advance. We're going to have a bracket set up, and you'll be able to choose between two places of interest which one advances. And then over the next month, we're going to continue to have different voting opportunities to see who is going to be the ultimate champion for our 7th grade geography and the best place to go in Europe. The best, whoever wins for each period is going to get a prize that we will get to you somehow in some way. But make this the best that you can. Have fun with this, be creative, but also be persuasive and convince us why this place is a must-see. What you're going to be doing, part of the requirements of it, as you look here where it says what you're graded on kind of this overview, giving us the details. What's its purpose? Why is it famous? What should I know about it? Why would I want to go there? What would I experience and do? You also need to be persuasive and then have the visual as well. So please let us know if you have questions. On Tuesday, this would be a good chance to ask any questions you have, just to be able to find out if you're on the right direction. But again, this has to be submitted by Sunday, April 5th. And then we will continue the rounds after that to see who wins. You could, if you want to, I'll get to that later. Anyways, this is going to be a lot of fun. I hope you're excited as I am about Europe and about the Flipgrid Challenge. So enjoy Europe, and I love you guys, and let us know if there's anything that you need at all. We are here for you. We'll see you on Tuesday. Bye-bye.